Here's a 2018 Ford F-150. Job after job, this truck is always ready for the next project. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, active grille shutters, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and twin-turbo V6 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.